could see was tattoos, fatness, and cigarettes, and mustiness. That's all I could see. I thought it was a rubber duck, and I guess we're going solo on this. So you guys saw my training video for Broly, and I used to always tell you guys that this road's like always empty and nice. I'm telling you, this road is always empty and nice, even though a car just turned up there. It's always empty and nice. Just wanted to make sure they're doing okay. He gave me the thumbs up. This road is always empty. Like 99% of the time. And as I say that, there's two cars in front of me. As we dodge those, I don't think we should be seeing that much more up there. See, this one's turning. I know this one isn't, the one in front of me won't, but the other one will. Man, I was gonna do that. Could you go back on the shoulder and let me go by, please? And thank you. Thank you. So he was actually turning, he didn't do it because of me. Man, everyone's blazing it. God, this is rain mode? Someone's lying, man. I feel like Nimbus is lying to me. He waved, he waved. He kept it on the handlebar and went like that. We got a dump truck in front of us. He was about to pull out, but he didn't, so thank you. There's a car coming up, so we can't go out. We can't go out, we can't overtake. And nor do I expect him to go on the shoulder because he's a truck, or an 18-wheeler, or whatever it is. A 10-wheeler, I don't know. It's okay, we'll pass. Again, not safe right here either because I can't see if there's a car coming from the other side. I just need a straight where I can see who's coming and then I can go in front. You're allowed to do that. I just don't know who's coming up in front. Can't see. And now he's blocking the lane where I can't see if anyone's turning. Because somebody on a bike could be turning really fast, coming in really high. I wouldn't see that, now would I? Your boy think he's Superman, huh? I ain't Superman, man. We the same. We ain't no Superman. That's it. Alright, this should be the place we can go. Ba-boom, boom, boom. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm so hungry and so thirsty. Thank you. Awesomeness. I love you. I feel like whenever I say that, hey, this road is always empty, like I told you guys, I get jinxed off the butt and I have all these cars pimping my game out in the open when I'm trying to make it dance. I don't even know what that meant, man. I don't even know what that meant. Well, I know what everything meant besides the last part. I'm trying to make it dance. Bada bing, bada boom, fat booty boys. I'm playing. I was gonna say fat body boys, but I'm so inclined to say booty all the time. So it came out like that. Man, how do you guys like that tinted windscreen? I don't like it. It looks cool and stuff, but it's not good for my videos because you can't see from here, nor if I talk, you guys won't be able to see anything. If anything, we'll get a tinted one. It's not worth it just to pass one person. So just give it a moment, un momento. Oh man, I would talk more, but I'm thirsty, man. I am thirsty. How could I forget water? How could I forget water? Anyone here turning? No? You? No. Okay. I can't believe this is rain mode, man. What the hell? What the effing hell? By rain mode, I mean, how is this? This is just Super Saiyan. Like, we haven't even hit second, third God mode. We haven't hit any of those yet, and she's already wildin'. Wildin'. And I can't say wildin' because my stupid cheeks are squeezed. I accidentally accelerated right on that bump. These little speed bump thingies, and one of those. So I kind of felt like that, and it was kind of scary. but it's good. These Diablo Super Corsa V2s, Pirellis, Diablo Super Corsa V3s or something, I don't know. They're super sticky. Look at all these people doing donuts. You see all these models on the ground, people doing donuts? I love it. You gotta come here at night. It's a freaking bakery with all the people doing donuts. I want to downshift, that's why we're bringing it under the 6. And then we downshift like a mug. Roping a thug. Yeah, we need earplugs, man. Rolling Nimbus too fast. I can barely hear the downshifts because so much wind noise. Scary fast, man, scary fast. He nodded. It's too loud, man. I can't go all the way to the rev range, it's too loud. Oh my god, I need earplugs for sure. Earplugs for sure. Gun it, Mustang, gun it. Oh, that was a good test of everything. That was a perfect test of everything. I feel so bad when a bug hits my visor. I feel so sad. Plus it sounds gross. I feel sad, man. I feel sad. Biker rider. God damn. God damn. Son of a gun. Please turn, dog. Rider. Turn, turn, turn. Nah, he's not turning. I was trying to hit that pine cone on the ground, but I saw it too late. We have that rider who was that chopper dude, but he got stuck on the light. But I don't really want to ride with a chopper. But I guess we are. God, I love this bike. I like it. He waved to me first without me waving to him. Alright, I guess we're gonna be riding with a chopper for a bit. That's something, right? That's sun. That's a little sun. So much fun. So much fun. Should we do more with Nimbus? But I think that's enough with Nimbus. I think she was a bad girl today. Just enough, just enough, just enough. son. I want to touch that car. Ah, so far away. I gotta keep popping my ears. Ooh, shorty. Just smile, girl. I don't bite. Just smile, man. It doesn't hurt. Anyways, this is Riding Insane. Riding on the streets. Remember to subscribe only because you love me. Because I effing love you. Until next time. And remember, if you see a biker, smile at them, man. You don't know what they're going through. Smile at anybody you see, because you never know what anyone's going through. And a smile can really change a life. If she smiled at me, I would have smiled too. I would have waved. She would have had a memory. She would have never forgotten another boy on a bike. That was her true love. But anyways, Riding Insane, subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Blazing. Bye.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some oil. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. 'Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, catch me and